Another of the workshops that I run in primary schools is to make a periscope. I'm not quite sure whether this is a D&T workshop or a science workshop. You can find templates to cut out and fold up periscopes on the internet fairly easily. This is one I've done myself using a program called Corel Draw. I then enlarge that on a photocopier onto A3 card. The next step is that I get the pupils, before they start to cut it out, to score along all of the dotted lines. That's extremely important. It makes folding up just so much easier. So we're going to use these small screwdrivers here, and press down quite hard and score along all of the dotted lines. And after we've done that, we can cut out the periscope template. There we are. Must remember to write my name on it. And the next stage is to start folding it up. Because we've scored the lines, it should fold up fairly easily. There we go. And one more long dotted line, that's a tab. And then fold these tabs up at the ends of the periscope and at the other end. There we are. So that's the folded up periscope. That tab is going to go inside, and we lay the periscope down on the table, get a long piece of sticky tape. This is probably a bit too long, and we put it on that edge there, half on and half off. I'm just going to cut that a bit shorter. There we are. So it's half on and half off. Then we bring that tab up and inside, and then line the ends up. It's quite important to get the ends lined up. That's there, that's the end there. Quite fiddly to do. I encourage the pupils to help each other to get that first piece on. Got a piece of sellotape there that I don't need, so I'll just get rid of that by folding it over. So that's the main body of the periscope assembled. We're now going to fit the mirrors at each end. Each mirror is at a 45-degree angle, so that when the light enters the top, it bounces off that mirror, travels down inside the periscope, bounces off the second mirror and goes into your eye. We're going to use a plastic mirror for safety. This is a plastic mirror which is available from my supply service. It's covered in a protective backing which you peel off before you use it. And I will cut this up into whatever sizes you want free of charge. I use pieces 75mm by 50mm, and we're going to peel off the backing of one side. We're not going to use the other side. It is double-sided, we're only going to use one side. Try not to bend the mirror while you're fitting it, otherwise it will distort the image. And with the mirror side inwards, it should slide in underneath those tabs. And I'm going to fit it in, stick it in place with some sticky tape. So we'll just get some sticky tape ready. Quite tricky to do this. Again, I encourage pupils to help each other. There we are. And we'll put a piece of tape around there. And then perhaps a second piece on. There we are. Try not to touch the inside of the mirror too much with your fingers. I think I'm going to put another piece of tape there. There we are. And now I'm going to fit the other mirror. Peel off the backing. sometimes tricky to find the edge. There we are. And that's going to be tucked in on the other side. Let's get some sticky tape ready. So with the mirror side facing inwards, there we go. I'm getting better at doing this. That's one piece of tape, and I think another piece of tape near the top to secure it. There we are. Quite a simple activity, but quite fiddly. And there we are, and that's the finished periscope. And when you look in the bottom mirror, you will be able to see out of the top. So if you want to look over the top of walls, or you're stuck in a crowd, this is a periscope is a really handy thing to have. So that's my primary school periscope design.